Hi friends, in today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. My dear friends, this index is currently on a verge of breakout because the stock is trading near to an important resistance level, and if that level get break, along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this index. We can initiate a buy position before a big rally get trigger on the upper end. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here, this was in top where the correction got triggered in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the index was trading under this downward parallel channel, there was few back to back lower lows. If you'll notice over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, and the third lower lows here. But the stock is trading near to an, near the index is trading near to an upper area of the parallel channel, and if this level get trigger, you will find the new breakout on the upper end, and this is an area where if we get a closing above this parallel channel breakout, then you will see a massive upside rally from here, because this is in resistance, and this resistance will get trigger, it will initiate a short covering position, and that will spark a new upside rally. And my dear friends, now we will discuss the most important chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to identify there is a flag and pole pattern. If you'll see here, this is what we call as flag and pole pattern. This is, we call it this as an flag and pole pattern, and this is a pole. This area is in, this we call it as an pole, okay, and this we call it as an flag. So there is a flag and pole pattern, and once we get a green candle closing above this white neckline, this is a neckline which is at $47,460. If the neckline get trigger above 47,460, this flag and pole pattern get trigger, and whatever the length of this pole, that much move you will see from here, my dear friends. If you'll see the length, this length of example, let's say this length is of 1000 point, so you will see 1000 point from here, so this much move you will expect from here. All right, so whatever the length of the pole, that much move you will see from here. This will be this much move from here side. So now the upside targets will come. The first target will be $48,500, which will marked in green color, and the second target is 49,000. But my dear friends, don't do blind trading. Don't do blind trading. You have to wait for an confirmation, you have to wait for a green candle closing above the white neckline. Don't go blindly and take the position. You have to keep the index under watch list, and you have to closely monitor for a close above the neckline. Once you get a close above the neckline of 47,460, then you are free to take the buy position for a big upside move. And this pattern this pattern is very good pattern. You can earn a handsome amount of money, but you have to do the rule based trading. You have to wait for a confirmation, you have to wait for a neckline to get break on the upper side, and once the neckline get break, you have to keep your stop loss below the low of this one, which will marked in red color. So this will be your stop loss. So this will be your stop loss, this will be your entry, and this will be your two targets. This is it for today's, my dear friends. And if you really love my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks. Bye bye.